How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna install mags and the BMW. I'm gonna try out my buddy Chris's mags there, the bronze mags. And if you haven't seen his car, check out my previous video about his blue car with the bronze mag on them. So he's not using these mags right now, and I said I wanna borrow it. I just wanna check it out if it's gonna look good on my car. I'm thinking to get some bronze mags, or maybe painted my new mags to bronze. I don't know, we'll see. If it's gonna look good, maybe I'll do it. The car still looks good right now, even though with the winter tires and the stock mags on them. Still looks pretty sharp with the tinted headlights. And the winglets still looks good. It's a bit dirty though. Maybe I'll wash it later on. So here are the mags from Chris. They are bronze and made by VMR. It looks good. I like the mags. I like the style. You know, it's a bit dirty, so just wanna clean it out first. Looks pretty sick actually. So he has the same tires like me. Firestone Indy 500 with a 255, 35, 18 on the back. And he has the 235, 40, 18. So he has a 235, 40, 18. He has a bit of curb brush here. You just see the size on this one. So for the rear, he has 18 by 9.5 with an offset of 45. That's for the rear. And for the front, so it's 18 by 8.5 with an offset, also on 45. So they have the same offset. So it's a staggered setup. He has the 8.5 in the front and 9.5 in the rear. Okay. Maybe it's time to clean the wheels so we can install them in the car and check it out if it looks good on my car. Yeah, so I have decided to wash the wheels inside the garage because it's only 4 degrees Celsius outside. So now let's get started.
I wait for someone to save. I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. Don't you think you wanna be for the best? If I pack my stuff and leave sooner than this. Don't you think you wanna be for the best? If I pack my stuff and leave sooner than this. Don't you wish I would've been someone else? I wanna feel your gap without making a mess at you. Won't you tell me something new? I wanna tell you something new. I wish you all the best I can, and I stop myself for a while.
Yeah guys, so look at the fitment on this freaking mags on my car. It's perfect. It's freaking perfect. So I ended up adding spacers in the front and also in the back. So on the front I put 15mm. So on the front it's a 45mm offset, plus I added up 15mm of a spacer. And look at the result, guys. It's perfect. And on the back, this one also is a 45mm offset, and I added up 5mm of spacer. Look how perfect that is. I'm telling you guys, this mags looks beautiful in person, especially with the color of my car. It's a good match. Probably in the near future I'll buy the same mags, but for now I'm gonna enjoy this mags because Chris told me to drive it for about a week. So I'm gonna drive this and enjoy this mags for 1 week. Look how beautiful that is. The fitment, I'm telling you guys, the fitment is perfect. So that's it for this video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and also don't forget to subscribe because I got more mods and DIY coming soon, so better stay tuned for that. So give this video a like. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.